everyone and welcome back to our channel. What you are going to do is search on Google for Breezy movie app. Scroll down a bit and you will see a result that says Breezy app. Simply select that link and it will take you to a page where you can download the app for both Android and iOS. Scroll down to the bottom section of the page and you will find two download links. There are some instructions, so make sure to click on any ad on third page and wait for 30 seconds. After that, the download should start automatically. Just click on the download button for your device, whether it's Android or iOS, and it will download the file. Once the file is downloaded, open it and you will see an installed pop-up that let you install the app on your device. That's basically it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.